Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my videos. So today I'm doing a mini haul. I'm doing a dress fitting mini haul from the finds I found at Think Twice second-hand clothes. For those in Kenya know that store, they usually sell second-hand clothes. They are camera quality, and I really got some very nice finds, and I'm going to do a fitting and show you guys what I bought. So please sit back and enjoy the video. For the first find, this is the dress. Is it a sundress or something? You can see the length. I like how it looks. Very nice. So these ones, I went on the second day after opening and I bought it at 400 for the dress. It's so pretty. I really like the dress. You can do it with a belt. I can show you with a belt for you guys to see how it looks. Very nice. I really feel so pretty wearing the dress. So let me show you with a belt. So here is how the dress looks with a belt. It's so pretty, but I'm wearing it with a bra because I'm just sitting. I look for something that doesn't have the straps to show, because even the bra is showing at the back. But the dress is so nice. Just 400 bob, and the quality is nice, very free. For summer or going for vacation, you can wear it. So let me go to the second dress. Now this is the second dress. It's a sundress. I don't know if you guys can see how it looks. You have to pull these strings and tie it to fit you. This is the back. Let me move back for you guys to see. This is how the dress looks. I like it. Very nice. Very demure. Very cutesy. I like the dress. This one was also 400 bob. Still in Think Twice the second day after opening. And guys, I really like the feel of the dress. It's very nice, and can't wait to wear it for dinner out somewhere. With the shoes, it is giving good vibes. So on to the next outfit. This is the third outfit. It's a jumpsuit. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a jumpsuit. Very nice. The texture is so nice. It's stretchy material, and I like how it fits me. No pockets though, but it's very nice. You can see the back as well. The front, very nice. I like the way it has baggy legs, and it's so nice. And guys, when thrifting, check if the outfit looks new or it looks worn out. For me, I usually go for the ones which look very nice. And now on to the next outfit. For the third fit, it's a jumpsuit as well, but this one is very free. It has the material which comes with sundresses, and let me guys show you how big it is. I like how free it feels. You can see the back is almost the same as the front. Like, it has that stretchy part here. Is it an elastic band or something? All the way. And then it has pockets here. Look, I like the way I feel when wearing the dress. Now let me go to the next fit. So guys, this is the next dress. I still thrifted it at Think Twice. This one I bought again at 400. To get nice things, you go on the first day or the second day. It's from Shane, and I like how it is. In the front, it's a bit low. It's a bit shorter than the back, and it has places you can put the belt. Let me show you with the belt. Still using the same belt, but it's very nice. Also, this one, is it a tank top or something? And it's also from Think Twice. Tops go between like 100 to 350 depending with the quality. And if you have good taste, I'm sure you're gonna get good things when you go to Think Twice. In our branch, they usually bring very nice fits. Now, let me show you with the belt. Here is the dress with the belt. Looks very nice with the belt. I like it. You can go for brunch with the dress. Very nice, very demure. Now on to the next outfit. So, for the next fit, it's a dungaree. It really awakens my childhood. Remember the way we used to wear such? You can see the back. I like it. It's a dungaree. It has a pocket here, and when I got it, it was new. It had even the buttons which were there, and also the material is very nice, not stretchy, and the fit is very nice. The top also I bought from Think Twice. It's a black tank top, and then you can wear it like that. Swag, swag, swag. So on to the next fit. For the next outfit, it's this black dress. It's a long dress. I don't know if you guys can see. It has side slits on both sides, and it's a bit baggy. I'm gonna go to the tailor to make it for me, and I bought it to wear with this outfit. Let me show you. I'm going to wear with this kimono. Like that. This is the fit. That's the dress, and it looks very nice. The dress is very nice. The material is like for the dresses I see at LC Waikiki, and I like how it looks. When I make it and do a fit check, I'll show you guys how it looks. So let me finish up with the outfit, then I show you the shoes. So for the t-shirts, I got so many. I cannot show you all of them, but here is one. This one looks very new. It has some very nice design over here. You can see there are a few. Let me show you some. I have this one. You see this one? It's from Atmosphere. I don't know if you guys can see. It's from Atmosphere. I have another t-shirt. This one is from Zara. I have another top. I don't know the it's from some company called Sandwich, and this one looks very nice. Let me show you how. Let me just wear it on top of this other one, and I show you guys how it looks. It has quite a unique detailing. Look at the neck. It looks very nice with some nice additions. I think you guys can see. Then I got some hoodies, very pretty, nice hoodies. Let me show you one. Okay. This one, I don't know if you guys can see. Very nice quality. Looks new. You can see. Very new. Let me check it's from which company. It's called Divide. Is it Divide or Dividend? Dividend or something. H&M. It's from Dividend. Let me show you closer. From, I don't know if you guys can see. H&M as the farthest. Here. H&M. Then I have another one. I don't know. It's from Mike Bristol. Let me show you the brand. I love the color. It's in purple, and look guys, let me put it in well for you guys to see the entire picture. Look, it's a Nike, original Nike with a FC Barcelona logo. This is how it looks. I love this. Also, it's here. Makes the jumper look so nice. Guys, let me now show you the shoes and we wrap up the video. And please like, share and subscribe. Let me show you the shoes. So for the shoes, I have a couple, but let me show you a few. Let's start with this one. Look at this shoe. Can you guys see how it looks? Very nice. It's from Zara Basic. Let me try and zoom it for you. Can you guys see? Zara Basic. And I like how it looks. Very nice. The pair was going for, I think, 400 as well. For the second one, it's these ones. These sandals. They are from which company? Excellent. They are up close. That's the shoe. Very nice. The sole looks new. Then we have this one. These ones. They are tie. I don't know if I should wear and show you guys how they look. These ones. Let me wear them and show you. Here are the sandals. I like the way you tie them around. Let me show you up close. Very nice, very comfortable. You can see. But I like wearing them with a dress. That's what makes them look prettier. So let me show you the other pair. The next pair is this black sandals. Very nice. Even the sole is new. You can see. They are very nice. I don't remember the brand because I've worn them a little bit. Then we have these ones. Very nice, and the insole is very nice. They are from Is it Foot Flex? I don't know if you guys can see. Foot Flex. They are very pretty. For the last one, we have these ones. They are called Flip-Flop. They are very nice, very comfortable, and I have many more others, but I understand the video is gonna be long. So the outfits that I bought for my sister, and she can show you. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. So come show them. So here is another sundress. Look at it. Very nice. Very, very demure. Come closer. Look. This one we bought at 300 or 300 bob, and it's very pretty. She has several other outfits. Let her show you. It's a dress. Very nice, very pretty. I like the length. The fitting is a bit big, but we are going to adjust it. Looks so nice. Black and white. Come closer. Nice, very nice. Okay, let's do the last fit and we get over it. Yes, look, very nice. Go back. Hey, it's an eye low, and the front is a bit shorter than the back. It's very nice. Come closer, we see the material. It's very nice, very soft. It looks like a sundress as well. We bought it at 400, still from Thrift. And guys, the finds there are very nice. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video up to now. Please subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. Guys, please support me. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. See you on the next video. Bye. Very nice cut. Look. Very pretty. Look. He enjoys being carried like that. Where do you want to go? Look at the camera. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Boop, 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 boop. Yeah? What's that? What's that? Fluffy, 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 fluffy. Fluff. Let me carry you well. Okay, sit. I can carry him like a baby. Look at him. Look at him. Go, go.